In today's video, we are reviewing Narwal Flow Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. If you want cleaner floors with less effort, this smart robot might be your new favorite helper. Before we start, the link to this robot vacuum and mop combo is in the description below at the best price in the market. Now let's talk about what makes the Narwal Flow special, because this is not just a normal robot vacuum. First, it has a massive 22,000 pascals suction power, which means it can pull up fine dust, crumbs, and even heavier dirt from hard floors and carpets much better than many basic models. But the biggest highlight is the FlowWash real-time self-cleaning track mop system. While it is mopping, it actually washes the mop continuously, so it stays fresh and does not spread dirty water around your home. It even uses warm water around 113 degrees Fahrenheit and strong downward pressure to help remove sticky stains in fewer passes, which is great for kitchens, dining areas, and homes with kids. Next, obstacle avoidance is a huge deal, and Narwal uses dual HD cameras with AI to recognize and avoid over 200 types of objects, so it can move around furniture, avoid cords, and reduce the chance of getting stuck. If you have pets or long hair in your home, you'll love the Zero Tangle design, because the brush system is made to guide hair into the dustbin instead of wrapping around the roller, which saves you time on cleaning and maintenance. For carpet lovers, the Carpet Focus feature boosts pickup performance by creating a stronger airflow zone on rugs, helping lift embedded dirt and pet hair so your carpet looks fresher without needing to vacuum again. It also cleans edges really well with a corner sweeping side brush and an extendable mop that reaches close to walls, so you don't miss those dusty baseboards. It can climb up to 1.6-inch thresholds, and its slim height fits under beds and sofas, so it cleans the hidden areas you usually forget. You can control it using the app, schedules, no-go zones, or even voice control with Alexa and more. Overall, if you want powerful vacuuming, smarter mopping, less hair mess, and a more hands-free cleaning routine, the Narwal Flow is a premium option that feels truly advanced. And once again, check the link in the description for the best price available right now.